Got Max, okay. Max,
right, start again.
Okay.
Start.
Go.
What is up, guys? JK Gamer here and Max Gamer, and today we are making edible fidget spinner out of Starburst. We've already had a practice go, and this is what we got.
Sick.
Yeah, so let's do this.
Right, so according to Max, you need 4 Starbursts.
Yeah, depends what kind of fidget spinner you've got though.
Yeah, I've got a plastic one, Max has got a metal one. I think he's going to do a video later on it. I hope so.
I might do.
I hope so. 2. You need 3. Max, what comes after 3? 4. Right, okay. So, when you have your 4, it doesn't have to be different colours or anything like that. Right, and then you're going to need a pencil and see why later. You probably already know.
Or anything round that can put holes in.
Yeah, I'll turn Max up a bit. Right, it's on full. And we've already done the Skittle one today, which was alright. We're going to go and see my cousin later because it's his birthday. Let's hope he doesn't lose another football challenge and has to do Bean Boozles. Hopefully he's got his mates round, so then we can do football. This one might be quite hard to open, because I've got sticky hands, because I've already done one. Hang on. So when you've done 4, we recommend you to eat it.
Yeah, so, that would help.
So like a fidget spinner, it's got 1 and then 3. So that's why we've got that. So I want to use this one as the sensor. I've got to bite it a bit.
Why have you done it?
And then you stick it. So it looks like that. And then you keep doing it like that. Oh no, yeah. You have to put it on the sides. So you've done that. Should look a bit like that.
Well, it might not look like that if you've got a different fidget spinner.
And then this is the fun part. You have to get a pencil. You got
stab it.
Yeah, you got to stab it through in all the 4. And then the last one. And when you have done that, it should look a bit like this. If you've got the same one as mine, right.
Oh no.
This one keeps falling off, right. So it should look a bit like that with the holes and stuff. And then you recommend you eat it. So I'm just going to take it all apart.
You've already said that.
This is the one that will not be like putting a hole on. So I'll just eat that now. And pencil is done. So that is our first DIY of the day. Max, do the outro again.
What?
Max, the outro. Forgot.
Okay, right. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Please do consider subscribing and please do leave a like. So, thank you for watching and peace out.
And it should look like that was the first attempt as well. Okay, bye.